What's going on, guys? We're back with another one. Today is going to be a very busy day, so let me run you through what we're going to be doing. So first things first, got to cut up, open the fuel rails to get them ready for the manifolds that we're going to do. Also stopped off and got some steel rod for the exhaust for this thing, which I've actually just made the downpipe for. Let me show you that. So that's it there. That's the bottom of it. I'm actually going to be using that factory gearbox mount for it. Don't know if I'm going to be able to do much today, as I've still got quite a lot to do. I've got to get that engine on a crate ready to ship out and gone, and 2 manifolds done. But yeah, I figured I'd show you guys that and what's going on with this car so far. But let's get on to the fuel rails. Okay, now that the fuel rails have been cut for the Chevy and the LS, I am now going to drill these supports that we're doing for the LS as well. So yeah, nothing but Chevy around here. Okay, so while old mate's welding that up on the manifold, I'd like to show you that, my exhaust. So obviously this is dummied up, but it's a decent fit. It's pretty tight. Might have to rub that out a little bit, but that's all right. As you can see, I've also put all the, let me try and get that to focus. All the exhausts in, all the exhaust hangers. Getting that all done. So, got plenty of room in here. It shouldn't be too hard to build. Just gonna come knocking and down straight off and into that hanger. And then the last hanger is just there. But I can't really cut it up because it keeps raining, and the drop saw I need to use is, gotta use it outside because I don't really have much room in here, so tough times. But anyway, that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one.